If your cracked heels are causing you pain and embarrassment, what if I told you the permanent solution is already in your home? Those deep, painful fissures are more than just a cosmetic issue. They can lead to real discomfort and even infection if left untreated. The secret to healing them is not a costly cream. It is likely sitting in your pantry right now. Number 1. Olive oil. Our first powerful remedy is an olive oil. Rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, it moisturizes deep down. For best results, warm it slightly, massage it thoroughly into your feet before bed, and then cover them with socks. You'll be stunned by the difference you feel by morning. Number 2. Banana mask. Next up is a fruit that softens skin miraculously. Mash one ripe banana into a smooth paste, apply a thick layer to your heels, and let it sit for 20 minutes before rinsing. This weekly treatment delivers immediate smoothness. Number 3. Coconut oil. Our third solution is a coconut oil with incredible antibacterial properties. Your kitchen holds the key to soft feet. Coconut oil does not just sit on the skin. It penetrates deeply to repair and protect from future damage. Use it daily, or add a few drops of tea tree oil for an extra healing boost overnight. Number 4. Foot bath with apple cider vinegar. Finally, let's talk about a transformative foot soak. Mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar into a basin of warm water. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to soften tough skin and fight bacteria, making it easier to gently exfoliate. The results after just a few soaks will genuinely surprise you. Your path to relief. Stick with these natural methods, and you can say goodbye to cracked heels for good. If you found these life hacks helpful, show your support by giving this video a like and subscribing to Natural Life Hacks for more ways to improve your life naturally. Heal your heels and reclaim your comfort.